Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have the conduit up, but I haven't got it fastened down yet. And I'm going to run it across the beam so I can get to the center of the building and split it out and have lights running down on the ceiling and running down through the center of the building. We've got about 40 feet of conduit to run. I'm not going to get it done today. I've recognized that now, but I'm going to get as much done as I can. I've already spoken to you about the swag that you can pick up by clicking on one of the pictures down below the video. Well, not only do I have hats, I have shirts. This is one of my favorite shirts. It's Scout Crafter Red in honor of Scout Crafter. But also, it's one of my favorite colors. It makes it so that I show up in the videos and I don't just blend into the background. Now let's put some clips on this conduit and get it anchored down so I can run it the rest of the way across the ceiling. go down and mark the center on it. Come up here again and cut it off. Take it loose, take it down, cut it off. A lot of work, but it's okay. It's going to end up doing what I want to do in the end. Well, I managed a double win. I'm looking for my tool pouch because I'm carrying that drill motor up on top of the ladder and not enough hands. I found this. Sitting on the shelf right next to it, heat gun, 2 wins. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Turn around and look. Make sure I'm not pulling that light sideways. Yeah, I got more than enough wire. Okay. Good to go. I need to extend some of this angle iron, but I still can't weld. So I'm just putting some screws in it with a backer so it's going to hold it together. The piece of wood is just on there to keep everything lined up. It'll be coming off. The thing I've discovered, I was having a lot of trouble putting these screws in. Then I realized maybe it wasn't a problem with the screws. When I got them in a place locked down so I can really put some torque on them, they go really well. Phew, that's some work. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.